Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix the voice chat not showing up on PC in Roblox. So if you're trying to talk while you're playing the game, or maybe you just want to have a voice chat with your friends on Roblox but you don't see the option for the voice chat, then in this video I'll show you how easily you can get this option and how you can also use it. So first you have to simply open up your Roblox account on your browser, or you can also do it on your desktop app. Once you have opened it up, you will be onto its home page. You have to click onto this gear icon and go to the settings. Once you select the settings option, then it will just take a while to load, and once the loading gets done, then it will take you to this next page. Now here we have different options, as you can see. So from all these options, first you have to make sure that your email address and your date of birth is verified. Because if you have not verified it, then they would not allow you to use the voice channel. So date of birth verifying means that you show them that you're above 13, and through email you show them you're a verified person. So what you have to do is that for email it will just send you a verification email to your email address. From there you have to verify it. For date of birth you have to simply upload your ID card images which is showed by your government, and also you have to add your selfie image, and after that your date of birth will get verified. Once both are verified, then you have to click onto privacy and content restrictions. Now once you get there, then you have to go to communications, and then you have to go to voice chat, and then it says enable microphone. So just simply enable microphone. But before you can read out their warning, or you can say the instructions that are written up there, and if you're okay with that, you can just simply click onto this enable option, and after that your voice chat will be enabled. So whenever you go to any game and you try to play from there, you will be able to have a voice chat there. So just simply click on this enable option once you have read all its written instructions that are on this page, then you will be able to turn it on. So once it gets turned on, that means everything is okay. Even on the top you can see the notification. Now you can just simply go back and start playing, but before you have to make sure that both of these two things are verified, then you will be able to have a voice chat. Even if they are not verified, then these options would not appear. So you have to make sure you verify, then you will be able to use the voice chat. So that's how you can fix voice chat not showing up on PC in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.